Hello guys, welcome back. AliExpress again offers the finest deals to shop online and save more by using code that can be used in almost stick product except mobile phones. You can see guys the promo code in the video description, or I will show it here. It almost makes sense guys every time you order at AliExpress. If you want to get some additional discount, just look for the codes here and let's get it on. As you can see guys, a lot of categories that you can explore here. But for now guys, the codes now we offer is for thick category here. This is the thick category guys. A lot of products available here, from high-end gadgets, electronic devices, watches, portable speakers, phone accessories, and a lot more. I'm gonna show you guys one sample of what to do. Let's try to pick one items here, and I'm gonna show you about the codes, how it works. Just click, we're gonna click it. A simple like this guys. If you want to order one item, just click buy now. After clicking buy now, you can see there, you can see here the promo codes. Just click enter. Just put the promo codes guys that I shown a while ago, and just click apply. So guys, that's how the codes work. If you want to save more, go shop on AliExpress and get your big discount now. Time is running fast guys. What are you waiting for? Go shop on AliExpress and get your big discount. Guys, don't forget to check all the promo codes on video description before purchasing the item. Guys, thank you. And that's all for now. Have a great day.